Hey, this is Sasha. Thanks for joining me in today's video. What I wanted to share with you today is a quick little insight into the options membership plan that we offer. So if you're into trading options, if you want to get a quick glimpse and idea of what goes on behind the scenes here, we get a chance to really just work with you, specifically hone in and work on a select few people that attend either the live sessions, ask questions through the email, and that way we get trade ideas and setups for the current market conditions. So if you're interested in joining, you'll get to see a quick clip right now. It's a little preview, it's cut, so you get to see an idea of what goes on behind the scenes. Again, if you're a member, you get the access to the full video. And some of those videos actually are quite long and lengthy and detailed. So they might be 38 minutes, 39 minutes, 17 minutes, 42 minutes. So as you can see, they are quite detailed. Now, to get this membership, what you could do is go to the tradersfly.com website. And you can head on over to members section over here. By the way, there's a lot of great freebies over in this area, or if you're brand new to options, just go ahead and go to the options trading 101 section. But when you click the members tab over here, you can go in, click the options, ideas, and strategies, and this will give you some ideas and insight of what it's really all about, along with some FAQs. And for you being, watching YouTube here and checking things out, I've created a little coupon code for the first month. It's called Share the Love, and that's only available here during kind of this segment and this video as you watch this. You might be watching this video, a month or two after it's released, and if that's the case, then the coupon may not work. So just understand that coupons do expire from time to time. But in this case, if you're interested in joining, check it out. You'll get 50% off here on the first month. So anyways, thank you so much. Enjoy the clip, and I will see you next time. Okay, so let's go ahead and put on we can do a calendar, or even a butterfly will work. Calendar, butterfly, iron condor, they all work fine. Double diagonal, not so much, I find, just because you've got multi-months, and then sometimes it's a little bit more difficult. So, and calendar, what's great about it is it's really right at the money, so it's a little more juicy of the premium. Iron condor, you can let it expire. So if you can't get filled on one of those contracts or something like that, as long as it's just wide ranged, you should be fine. So that's why I don't really care for the double diagonal as much for these kinds of shorter term duration trades, but everything else is pretty much good to go and a good game for it. So, okay. So let's get filled on that one, and let's just start it off. We're going to go ahead and start with, we're going to do Amazon, since that one already got filled and closed out. So I don't really care too much about price because these are short-term duration trades, and with short-term duration, you're just in them for a couple days and then you're out. Now, yes, you may consider that if you are at, let's say, really all-time highs, you may give it one little cushion for the downside or the upside. If you're down low, like let's say the stock sold off, then you could go ahead and structure it a little bit bullish or bearish depending on market high or low, but I wouldn't be too directional. These are theta gain trades. So here we're going to go out 9 days. I'm going to go out and I'm going to change my view, delta, gamma, theta, vega. Let's go here. Probably something like this, delta. So I will go ahead and choose something around a 10 delta. That's just a basic principle. Again, if you want to do 12, that's fine. If you want to do 15, that's fine. If you want to be safer, go 5. I'm going to go around 10. This is 9 days till expiration. So the shorter the duration, the more price risk, but we're going to be in the trade less. So that's going to help us out. So let's go ahead and sell and go to sell, and we're doing an iron condor. I will analyze that trade real quick, hide the positions. So I've got the put side here, which is 3110, and then I will buy the protection at, let's say, about 20 or 30 points away. Okay, so that's one side. The other side, we are going to go ahead and do this at also about a 10 delta. So that'll put me around 3,700. I could go 39, 36.80 if I think the market's a little too toppy, but let's just go here, 36.80 right here, and buy protection around 37.10. Okay, so there's my kind of iron condor. Now, do I need to take into account, let's see, that's 30 points, there we go. Do I need to take into account volatility in this? Not so much, and that's because it is a shorter term duration trade. So I have a vega of only 29, but my theta is 44. So even if I have a vega problem, that theta is just gonna boom, boom, knock it out of the park and kick some butt. So we're gonna be just fine with the theta, but I do wanna be mindful there is still some negative vega here. So I think it is wise maybe to put in a little bit, and we are at all-time highs, right? So even though we can continue to move higher on this Amazon big boy, you know, it's a powerful stock, it keeps moving up, the market keeps moving up, even though we are at all-time highs. You know, I'm cautious that we could be stalling here. I am cautious, but you know, this is only probably a 3-day trade, so I wouldn't totally change my position. So let's maybe move it in 20, 30 points, and then move this in 20, 30 points, and I've got a little bit of range there. Okay, so maybe another 20. And now this gives me a little more room on the call side, and I will move my put side maybe a little bit wider, just in case for a possible downside action. So I'll move that out a little bit, move this out a little bit, and now I've got a tiny, tiny bit of negative delta, okay? And depending on how you know, you see things and how much risk you want, you could move it, you know, again, another 20 points or so. 20 points on a stock like Amazon is not going to be as big of a deal. On the put side here at 30.80, when we look at 30.80, that's still an 8 delta. So you just reduced by 2 delta on this side and probably increased 2 delta over here from a 10 delta to maybe like a 13. So it's not as big of a deal. All right, so thank you so much for joining me. I hope you enjoyed this video, quick clip, and some insights on what we do kind of in the members section of the options segment. Keep in mind, if you're brand new to just getting started, go check out the options trading start here section on our website at tradersfly.com, or you could go to the freebies section where you could go ahead and download quite a lot of other cheat sheets, worksheets, mini video courses, and things that I'm working on for you guys. And if you want to join us in the members area, go to the membership section right up here on the navigation bar. You'll be then taken to our members website, and that's where you can see the options, ideas and strategies membership plan, and you can get a big overview of what it's really all about as well with a video there. So thanks again for joining me. Remember to hit subscribe if you're brand new to the YouTube channel, or of course, go ahead and join the newsletter list by clicking the link right over here. And that way you get notified as we release other great videos, courses, products, books, and maybe even join us on our live video session from time to time. Thanks again, and I will see you next time.